Stories, I'm a fool for your love. Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Back to my channel, guys. So as the title suggests, I'm going to be trying Japanese snacks. So I was on 2 weeks spring vacation, and when I went back to work, I saw all of these snacks on my desk. Japanese love to give each other snacks. This is called Omiyage. I'm gonna be trying all the Omiyage that I got from my Japanese co-workers. So let's go. All right, so this is the very first thing that I'm gonna try. This is milk chocolate. I'm not a cookie milk chocolate, Akai Boshi. Yeah, so this, I'm gonna be trying this. Let's see. Oh, can I open it? There is something like a chocolate thing. I guess the chocolate is in between it. It's like so definitely it's chocolate in the middle, and it's like it's sweet. It's like crackers with chocolate. That's what it tastes like, and it's very soft. So the outer cracker is very soft. So I like this. I like it. Alright, let me leave room for the others. So this is the same thing, but this is a different flavor. So this is green tea. Let me try green tea. See if I like it. So in the middle is green. I don't think I'm tasting any green tea. What I'm tasting is just like a sweet biscuit. But this is very delicious as well. So I like both of them. Good. Alright, so this is called Yoku Moku. Hope I'm pronouncing this right. Let me just pull from this side. Oh, this looks very familiar. I think I've had this before. Alright, so let's go. Very crunchy. This is sweet. It tastes like sweet biscuit. I'm gonna have to drink also water after this. Alright, so next, delicate sweets. This thing. You know what? Let me go get our scissors. Alright, it's a delicate sweet. It gives me like a coconut smell, like a coconut biscuit. Yeah, it's coconut, but there's nothing else on this. It only says delicate sweet at the top. Okay, not bad, but yeah, too much sweet. This is the next thing. Let me open it. So I can see the sugar on this. I'm not very good at describing these tastes. This tastes like a cracker with sugar on it. So I don't really like this one. Yeah, Actually got 2. Yeah, so no, it's alright, you know, but this is not something that I would want to, you know, eat again. Alright, so next I have this thing, Ginza. So let's see. So this looks like strawberry. Let me see. I don't see anything that says strawberry, but it is strawberry. So it has a strawberry taste. It like all of these just give me like a biscuit taste. So it's like biscuit with coconut, biscuit with strawberry, biscuit with sugar, yeah, stuff like that. This is, well, I don't think you can see it. I don't know what this, oh, this looks like chocolate. Nice. I think this is chocolate. Good. So like chocolate biscuit. Yeah. This chocolate biscuit. Sweet. Tastes good. Next, I totally forgot the name of this. I actually got a whole box of this for White Day. White Day is 1 month after Valentine's Day. So in Japan, Valentine's Day, the female gives the male chocolate, and on White Day, the male gives the female chocolate or snacks or whatever. So my coworkers, again, they gave me chocolate, and they also gave me a box of this. So I've had these before. It's soft like a donut, but it's not a donut. It doesn't have a donut taste, but it the closest I can think of would be like a donut, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't want any more. Alright, so next I have tea time bread. Tea time bread. So there are 2 of them. This has a strawberry smell. I'm tired. Yeah, so this has a strawberry smell. Yeah, a strawberry biscuit. Yeah, strawberry biscuit. Very sweet. And the strawberry taste is very strong as well. I'm trying to put it back in the wrapper. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with all of these snacks, these sweets. Alright, so next, another similar one, Sakura Waffle. Ooh, nice. This is very pretty. I need to take a picture like this. Okay, so it's a strawberry biscuit with the creamy, like a vanilla kind of taste in the middle. Yeah, very sweet though. Very sweet. Alright, next, Hanahiro Shion. I'm not pronouncing these words correct, but yeah. Let's see what is in this one. Ooh. So like cookies. Okay. Oh, these are the things that I don't like. Alright, so I don't know, this there's a specific snack here. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it. So it's like very salty, and it's like I just hate the taste of it. This reminds me of it. It does smell like it, so I hope that it doesn't taste like it. Anyways, let me try another one. I don't like this. No. Let me try this one. This has a little sweetest taste. The others are salty. But no, I don't like these. No. Alright, next. Ooh, I got this little package. Let me see what's inside. Oh, nice. This is in, I don't know what this, maybe Italian. I don't know what language this is, but yeah. Oh, let's see. So this looks like chocolate, of course. It is chocolate. It's very soft. Very soft. So it's like a chocolate biscuit with, I don't know what this top piece is. I'm very bad at describing these things, but it's very sweet because of the chocolate. Yeah, so this is okay. Okay. Alright, so only three more. So this thing, let's see. This is like it's sweet, very sweet. It has like a baked taste, but not like a donut taste. Maybe like a cake taste. Yeah, cake has a cake taste. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Everything here is like super sweet except for the thing that I said I didn't like. These. Yeah. They're the only salty tasting thing here. So next. Oh, I tried this already. But this is a different flavor, so I'm not going to try it. And this is the final thing. Yeah. So let's see. I think this probably is chocolate. I don't know. Cool. So this is chocolate. Yeah. Chocolate shaped like leaves. Okay, so 3 different colors. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, all 3 are chocolate. And that's it for me tasting all these things. I need to go get some water. This is water I bought from 7-Eleven. No, from Lawson. Yeah, so it's for 100 yen for this bottle. My thoughts. So these, I'm very grateful that, you know, that I got these gifts, these omiyage from my coworkers. They are all Japanese, by the way, all Japanese coworkers. They are very sweet, so I'll probably have like maybe one every other day because I'm not trying to get diabetes. But there's only, so all of them, only one I didn't like, and that was this thing that reminded me of the other thing that I said I don't like. But everything is very tasty, very sweet, and yeah, so I like them and I like the gesture, you know. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the different Japanese snacks, you know. Yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, so thank you again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.